Welcome back to Live Now from Fox. We do have a bit of breaking news here for you as the Trump administration now asking the Supreme Court to allow birthright citizenship restrictions. We're learning here President Trump's administration is asking the Supreme Court to uphold his birthright citizenship order, declaring that children born to parents who are in the United States illegally or temporarily are not American citizens. The appeal sets in motion a process at the High Court that could lead to a definitive ruling from the justices by early summer on whether the citizenship restrictions are constitutional. Lower court judges have so far blocked them from taking effect anywhere. The Justice Department's petition has been shared with lawyers for parties challenging the order, but is not yet docketed at the Supreme Court. Any decision on whether to take up the case probably is months away, and arguments probably would not take place until the late winter or early spring. President Trump signed an executive order on the first day of his second term that would upend the Constitution's 14th Amendment, which grants citizenship to everyone born on American soil, with narrow exceptions, for the children of foreign diplomats and those born to a foreign occupying force. In a series of decisions, lower courts have struck down the executive order as unconstitutional, even after Supreme Court ruling in late June that limited judges' use of nationwide injunctions. While the Supreme Court curbed the use of nationwide injunctions, it did not rule out other court orders that could have nationwide effects, including in class action lawsuits and those brought by states. The justices did not decide at that time whether the underlying citizenship order is constitutional. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit in San Francisco ruled in July that a group of states that sued over the order needed a nationwide injunction to prevent the problems that would be caused by birthright citizenship being in effect in some states and not others. Birthright citizenship automatically makes anyone born in the United States an American citizen, including children born to mothers who are in the country illegally under long-standing rules. The right was enshrined soon after the Civil War in the first sentence of the 14th Amendment. The administration has asserted that children of non-citizens are not, quote, subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and therefore not entitled to citizenship. A story we'll continue to follow here on Live Now from Fox, as we are just bringing this in here to you. But if you are just tuning in, we are learning President Trump's administration asking the Supreme Court to uphold his birthright citizenship order, declaring that children born to parents who are in the United States illegally or temporarily are not American citizens. We are going to step away for a quick 2-minute commercial break here on Live Now from Fox. We'll continue to follow this breaking news here for you, as you can see, put out by the Associated Press.